Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lanisha, and on my channel you can find anything from wellness to self-care. I used to post a lot of natural hair videos, but I've kind of left that realm a little bit, though my hair is still popping. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all just a few of the zero waste essentials that I like to use, especially as a beginner. I feel like a lot of videos in the zero waste topic on YouTube, they have videos like 50 swaps you need to make now, but that's really intense, you know? So I'm just gonna show you guys 7 of the essentials that I like to use that you can use too. But before we get into that, I want to talk a little bit about sustainability. Nobody's completely zero waste. We're all going to be wasteful. I'm not perfect. I still drink out of plastic water bottles. Oh my gosh, look, there's one right here. What is a Brita? I don't know. Who's that? She lived down the street? No one's going to be perfect. You don't have to live in a box to be less wasteful on this earth and to care about the planet. You just have to make some strides to try to be less wasteful in your everyday life. Let's get into the essentials. The first essential that you need for zero waste is a metal straw. I love my metal straw. It was gifted to me from one of my best friends, Gabby. Hey Gabby, what's up? A metal straw is much better than a plastic straw, and I don't know, it feels kind of cool when you drink out of your metal straw. It's all like, ooh, I'm helping the environment. And if you don't have a metal straw, if you go to restaurants, most of them by now currently use paper straws, which are not the best, honestly, because is it just me, or do you like taste the paper when you're drinking out of a paper straw? But it's better than a plastic straw because you have to think about the baby turtles, okay? Which brings me into my next essential, which is my phone case. I love this phone case. I love the color, and look what's on there. It's a turtle. So it reminds me to take care of the baby turtles and be more conscious about the environment. So this case is from Pela Case, and they are an environmentally conscious company. They produce lots of phone cases and other phone accessories that are good for the environment and made from compostable ingredients. Compostable materials. I'm going to grad school. Duh. Yeah, so every day you have your phone in your hand scrolling through social media. It's much better to have a sturdy, solid phone case that's also good for the environment. Next up is bar soap. So the issue with most body washes is that they're packaged in plastic. Well, the bar soap that I'm currently loving is African black soap. I don't know if you've noticed, but the skin is popping. And that's because I use African black soap on my face and on my body too. So the key to the whole zero waste lifestyle is just reusing what you already have instead of constantly throwing stuff out. So that's the real issue that we have. We are always consuming and throwing out, consuming, throwing out. We have to just start being intentional about one item that we can get for each area of what we need and figure out how to reuse that and be creative. So, yeah. Up next is a glass bottle. Now, I know I said earlier that I drink out of a lot of plastic bottles, and you know what's even worse? I would take the plastic bottle of water and pour it into my glass bottle and then put lemons in it and put it in the refrigerator. It tastes so good. But yeah, so it kind of is like, what are you doing? It doesn't have to necessarily be a glass bottle, just the regular reusable bottles. They make aluminum bottles, but I personally don't like them. They always just taste metallic-y to me. But that's why they have so many options. You can do silicone, you can do aluminum foil, not aluminum foil, aluminum. Then I feel like everyone needs a tote bag. Like, you can use it to go grocery shopping, go to a picnic, go to the beach. It's just perfect for everything. So that's like one of the top essentials. I have like so many tote bags that I just collected over the years, and they're so cute, and like they really show off your personality depending on what you're interested in and stuff like that. So Tote bag is great for when you want to go grocery shopping, all that jazz. And lastly is an electric razor. An electric razor is great because you reuse it. It's not like one of those plastic razors that you use a few times and then you dump it. The good thing with an electric razor is that you can keep it for as long as it lasts, which could be years. I've had mine for about 2 years now, so yeah. They also have quite a few sustainable companies that offer reusable razors. Like they would ship you a new blade, a new metal blade every how often you need a new metal blade. But I like the electric razor because everything stays the same. I don't have to worry about replacing things too often, and I just plug it in and plug it out. So yeah, that concludes my zero waste essentials, or rather low waste essentials. When you're on this journey, don't be so hard on yourself. As long as you're making strides to be less wasteful, that's all that really matters. Don't pressure yourself and be like, oh my gosh, I'm wasting things. It's not that serious. I mean, it is serious because climate change is real, but just take baby steps and eventually and gradually you'll be making a difference. Actually, as soon as you swap one thing, you're already making a difference. So keep making little differences, okay? So yeah, I haven't really talked on camera in my videos in a long time, so it was actually kind of fun. I was pretty nervous at first, but yeah, let me know if you guys like me talking to you guys directly in the comments down below, and let me know what other videos you'd like to see. If you want to see more videos about sustainability, more of my wellness videos, I have a lot to share, okay? You guys need to be taking your probiotics and drinking your smoothies, alright? So just let me know in the comments what kind of content you guys want to see from me. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, please, especially if you're new. Thanks. Okay? So, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Was this even recording? Oh yeah, it is recording. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, yes, so. Hi. My name is Lanisha, and no, I don't like that either. First, what? The first.